In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make different columns for all groups on Monday.com. Whether you're new to Monday.com or you've been using it for a while, being able to customize your columns for different groups can really enhance your productivity and help you tailor your workspace to meet your specific needs. Let's dive in. First of all, head over to Monday.com. You can open up your web browser and type in the URL or click on a saved bookmark if you've got one. Once you're there, you'll see the homepage with options to sign up or log in. Since we're already users, go ahead and click on Login at the top right corner of the screen. Now you'll be directed to the Login page where you have a choice of logging in through various methods. To keep things straightforward, click on the Google option. This will allow you to log in using your Google account, streamlining the process. Make sure you select the correct Google account if you have multiple. After a successful login, navigate to your board. If you have several boards, choose the one where you want to make column changes. Your board is the central hub where all your tasks and group information reside, so it's important to ensure you're in the right place. Now, it's time to add a column to your table. Look to the right of your board where you'll find a plus sign or an Add Column button. Click on it to start the process of adding a new column. This is where the customization really begins, and it's especially useful for keeping distinct information more organized. Once you've added your column, click on the column header and select Status from the drop-down menu. The Status column is one of the most versatile in Monday.com, allowing you to track the progress of your tasks and visually distinguish between different phases or states of a task. Here's where the magic happens. After you select the status for this column, you can customize it for specific groups without affecting the others. This means if you're working on multiple projects within the same board, you can have separate trackings for each group. Simply adjust the status options to reflect the unique phases or states relevant to each group. The beauty of this feature is that while you can keep everything neatly organized, you also maintain the flexibility and simplicity of having everything on one board. We've now walked through how to add and customize columns for different groups within Monday.com. This is an excellent feature for breaking down complex boards into manageable sections without cluttering your view or losing control. Thank you for joining me today. I hope these instructions help in making your experience with Monday.com more efficient and tailored to your needs.